Guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. So today's video is come pack with me. So obviously, if you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Lauren. I am going to Tenerife with my sister in July. We literally have 3 months to go and I'm so excited. So by the time this video goes up, it'll probably be 2 months, but if it's going up in April, then it'll still be 3 months. But yeah, anyway, me and Lisa are going to Tenerife, and the last time we went to Tenerife, we was actually quite young. Lisa was a baby at the time. Obviously our mum was still alive, so it was a family of 4. It was me, Lisa, mum and dad. Packed our suitcases, you know, dad drove us to the airport, they checked us in, you know, we just basically followed them around. This time round, we've got to do everything ourselves. So I've had to book the holiday on my own, I've booked our taxi, I've got to literally check our bags in, literally got to do everything on my own. So I'm so excited but nervous at the same time. So I've never done anything like this before, so it's going to be an experience. I hope Lisa is learning along the way, because obviously she will probably want to go on holiday with her boyfriend in the future. So she needs to take a note of what's going on and how we're doing things, you know, where we have to go, you know, such and such, and what things we have to do. But yeah, I'm gonna be scared but excited, because obviously, like I said, we haven't been to Tenerife in a very long while. So yeah, I cannot wait for that. So yeah, I wanted to show you a come pack with me. So I have previously done what's like going through my suitcase, you know, and stuff like that. But I thought, you know what, I will actually do a come pack with me for the final time. So obviously this will be the absolute final. I've got to get no more clothes. I'm just waiting for the last little bit of makeup to actually arrive so I can pop that in, and then once everything's all in there, I can pop the suitcase cover on top. And then once that's on, it's done, it's dusted. If I've forgotten anything, it can wait, or I can buy it out there, you know. So yeah, this is the final come pack with me. I was going to do voiceover clips throughout this video, but I thought to myself, no, I can just show you what I'm doing, how I'm styling it, how I'm putting things in, what kind of cosmetics I'm taking with me in my suitcase. Obviously with your hand luggage, you can only take up to 100 millilitres of liquid, you can't take any more. So I've kept most of all my liquid stuff in my suitcase, like my big shampoos and conditioners, hairsprays, perfumes, you know, you name it, all of that lot. And yeah, I've tried to spread my stuff between my suitcase and my hand luggage as much as I can, without trying to go over the limit of my hand luggage, but you guys will see anyway. So obviously I've gone through my suitcase, my hand luggage and my handbag. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video.
Come in to my elbow there. Good stuff. And now, time for the comments. It's great. What's your take?
Of course you know.
Just keep watching. Jesus always found one last project is easy for imagination. Alas, sometimes you have to clean it up. Right, Amazon. I take it this is not a easy stage competition. It's like it isn't very foundation. Why do you not know she's doing it? For us. Of course. I know. She is a man of contrast. But I just
No, son. Fuck up. So guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, this is the final compact with me, so there will not be any more suitcase, like going through my suitcase and stuff. This is the absolute final before the holiday. So obviously the other holiday bits that you would actually see would be, it will probably be the day before, so obviously that would be the holiday pamper prep, and then it'll be the proper holiday vlogs are coming up straight after. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. I cannot wait for the holiday. If you are enjoying these holiday bits so far, then please give it a like, a comment and subscribe. And let me know what kind of holidays you're planning on going on, or if you've got any holidays books, let me know what you're going. If you're going to Tenerife, what part of Tenerife are you staying at? But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. As always, give it a like, a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.